Question 1. What is AWS Global Accelerator? The correct answer is B, Network Service for Global Application Performance. Question 2. What does Global Accelerator improve? The correct answer is B, Application Availability and Performance. Question 3. How does Global Accelerator route traffic? The correct answer is B, via AWS Global Network using Anycast IPs. Question 4. What are static Anycast IPs? The correct answer is B, fixed IPs that route to optimal endpoints. Question 5. How many static IPs does an accelerator provide? The correct answer is B, 2, for redundancy. Question 6. Can you bring your own IP addresses? The correct answer is B, yes, BYOIP supported. Question 7. What is an endpoint? The correct answer is B, target for traffic, ALB, NLB, EC2. Question 8. EIP. What endpoint types are supported? The correct answer is B, ALB, NLB, EC2 instances, elastic IPs. Can endpoints be in multiple regions? The correct answer is B, yes, multi-region endpoints. Question 10. What is an endpoint group? The correct answer is B, collection of endpoints in a region. Question 11. Can you set traffic dial percentage? The correct answer is B, yes, control traffic to endpoint group, 0 to 100%. Question 12. What is traffic dial used for? The correct answer is B, blue/green deployments, testing, failover. Question 13. Does Global Accelerator perform health checks? The correct answer is B, yes, continuous health monitoring. Question 14. What happens if an endpoint is unhealthy? The correct answer is B, traffic routed to healthy endpoints. Question 15. Can you configure health check settings? The correct answer is B, yes, interval, threshold, protocol, port. Question 16. What is client affinity? The correct answer is B, route user to same endpoint consistently. Question 17. What client affinity options are available? The correct answer is B, none, source IP, and port. Question 18. What is a listener? The correct answer is B, processes inbound connections on port/protocols. Question 19. What protocols do listeners support? The correct answer is B, TCP and UDP. Question 20. Can you specify port ranges? The correct answer is B, yes, single ports or ranges. Question 21. Does Global Accelerator use AWS Edge Locations? The correct answer is B, yes, traffic enters at nearest edge. Question 22. How many edge locations does AWS have? The correct answer is B, 400 plus globally. Question 23. Does traffic stay on AWS network? The correct answer is B, yes, uses AWS Global Network. Question 24. What is the benefit of AWS Global Network? The correct answer is B, lower latency, better performance, reliability. Question 25. Does Global Accelerator provide DDoS protection? The correct answer is B, yes, with AWS Shield Standard. Question 26. Can you use AWS Shield Advanced? The correct answer is B, yes, for enhanced DDoS protection. Question 27. Does Global Accelerator support IPv6? The correct answer is B, yes, dual stack support. Question 28. Can you disable an accelerator? The correct answer is B, yes, temporarily disable. Question 29. What happens when you disable an accelerator? The correct answer is B, stops routing traffic, IPs retained. Question 30. Can you delete an accelerator? The correct answer is B, yes, after disabling. Question 31. Does Global Accelerator integrate with CloudWatch? The correct answer is B, yes, metrics and monitoring. Question 32. What metrics are available? The correct answer is B, processed bytes, new/active connections. Question 33. Can you set CloudWatch alarms? The correct answer is B, yes, based on metrics. Question 34. Does Global Accelerator log flow data? The correct answer is B, yes, flow logs to S3. Question 35. What information is in flow logs? The correct answer is B, source/destination IPs, ports, protocol, bytes. Question 36. Can you use AWS WAF with Global Accelerator? The correct answer is B, yes, when using ALB endpoints. Question 37. Does Global Accelerator preserve client IP? The correct answer is B, yes, in X forwarded for header or proxy protocol. Question 38. What is endpoint weight? The correct answer is B, control traffic distribution, 0 to 255. Question 39. Can you do weighted routing? The correct answer is B, yes, using endpoint weights. Question 40. What is the default endpoint weight? The correct answer is B, 128. Question 41. Can you remove an endpoint from service? The correct answer is B, yes, set wait to 0. Question 42. Does Global Accelerator support custom routing? The correct answer is B, yes, Custom Routing Accelerator. Question 43. What is custom routing used for? The correct answer is B, deterministic routing to specific EC2 instances. Question 44. Can you use Global Accelerator with on-premises? The correct answer is B, yes, via Direct Connect or VPN. Question 45. Is Global Accelerator region specific? The correct answer is B, no, global service. Question 46. Can you update accelerator configuration? The correct answer is B, yes, modify listeners, endpoints, settings. Question 47. Does Global Accelerator support TLS termination? The correct answer is B, no, at endpoint, ALB/NLB. Question 48. What is Global Accelerator pricing based on? The correct answer is B, fixed hourly fee plus data transfer. Question 49. Are there charges when disabled? The correct answer is B, yes, hourly fee continues. Question 50. What are common use cases for Global Accelerator? The correct answer is B, gaming, IoT, VoIP, global applications. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.